Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I'm talking about Adfly. Now Adfly is a link shortening service that pays you if somebody clicks on your link. Now you get paid a very small fee for them going over to a redirection from that link to see some adverts before they get to the site or the YouTube video or a Facebook page, whatever it is that you want to actually recommend to your audience. Now many people will actually come online and think about the ways that they can earn money online quickly, and these are always advertised as easy ways to actually go ahead and make money by just spreading links around the internet. Now I'm going to show you why I personally think you should keep away from these if you're really serious and you want to build a real business online. I'm going to show you the types of redirection and the adverts that you actually get by using these types of link sharing services. So basically what this does, it'll give you a redirection link to send people before they go ahead and go to the final destination that you're actually recommending. So if I just go along and copy this, let's say I was going to show them the BBC website. Now this is a very high quality website, so I would actually shorten this and it's going to give me this link here. Now this is the link that I would share. Now if I just go along and I'm going to go into incognito mode on my browser, and I'm going to show you what this is giving me if I go ahead and share that link. So if you press this link, what's going to happen is I suddenly come over to this page and I have this notification come up here, and it's asking me to allow or block this notification. You can't see this. I'm just going to show you the top here. This is a non-secured website that I'm suddenly being asked to start looking at things on. So this is completely non-secure. I have this weird report ad thing here. I can go ahead and accept and this download here, which again I'm not going to do. You don't want to be downloading any kind of programs to your PC. And if I go ahead and skip here, I presume this is where you skip the ad, it's going to immediately bring me over to this page here, which again I've got no idea what this is. It's saying press allow to continue. It's bringing me to these random websites. If I just go back, this is still there. It's opened up a completely different tab, and I'm still not at my original, as I showed you, BBC website here. I'm still on this set of sites. It's just redirected again, and now it's asking click allow if you're not a robot, and it says here I'm supposed to tick I'm not a robot, and you know, it's just sent me into a whole world of redirections and spammy adverts and all sorts of nonsense. Now for that, you're probably going to get paid a couple of cents if people come along and click on these links. You can see here, if I look at these payment rates, that you will probably paid, if you're in the United States, around about $8. There's various figures on here, but let's say around about $8 on a desktop for 1,000 views. So remember, you're going to get 1,000 genuine clicks over to your link to start with, and you're going to get paid around $8 per 1,000 views. For a vast majority of people online, this isn't attainable anyway. But the main problem with these types of sites, the main problem with Adfly, as well as multiple others, is you could see the level of spam that you are introducing to your audience. They're not going to appreciate it. They're not going to return to any of the links that you actually post in the future. So this is always going to be a very short term, very low quality way to make money online. You can imagine if you go ahead and receive one of those links yourself and clicked on them, you would not go back to that person again and want to be clicking on any more links, especially as you just wanted to go and see the BBC website or whatever it was they're recommending. This is a very poor way to make money online. If you want to learn how to build a real business online, go ahead and hit the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. I got a affiliate bootcamp there that'll show you how to start with affiliate marketing. It's a great way to make money online. It's the way that I actually built my own business online. You get paid by recommending other people's products and services, but you do it in the right and honest way. If that interests you, go ahead and click that link. In the meanwhile, please don't use things like Adfly if you're serious about building a real business online. Hope that was valid to you. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you're interested in these types of videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell. Until next time, take care.